All right, guys, so thank you so much for tuning back in. I have an Aragon to show you today. I saw this one on their website for sale. This has some incredible specifications to it. This is sort of a true unboxing. I got it all out of the packaging, the cardboard and blah, blah, and am gonna open it and show it to you for the first time that I'm seeing it as well. Well, obviously it's first time you're seeing it. Alrighty. So nice solid box that it comes with, just an outer cardboard sleeve that covers that. This is their Divemaster dive watch, and if I'm not mistaken, I believe they are still on for sale. And oh yes. All right, so it's got a bunch of plastic in here. Let's just see, just pull this all out. All right, so you got the Aragon logo inside of the box, velvet pillow, of course the watch. And let's take a look at what we have here. Aragon booklet. Now, this is not my first Aragon watch. I did receive one as a gift, but this is my first purchase of Aragon. And I honestly couldn't resist when I saw this. This was kind of around the time the Aliexpress sale was going on, but this is the Divemaster. Oh yeah, look at the profile on the side there. This is nice and chunky. Obviously, I have to get the tape and whatnot off, but I bought it for this purple dial. Yeah, I do feel a little sticker on there, so let's take that off. Oh, nice. Look at this gorgeous purple sunburst dial. Oh, yeah. Loving it. Nice brushing on the side. Looks like this is going to be all brushed, which I like. Let's have a listen to this bezel. Really nice bezel action. Real nice, distinctive clicks. No back play. Yeah, I am really digging this one. And as you can see, lines up great. Date window there, okay. So let's just zoom in a little bit further on the dial. 200 meters of water resistance. So this is a true diver. Yeah, I love that purple dial. All right, so let me take the plastic off and come back and give you some basic specs. And I'll do a review of this one coming up at some point on the channel, but this is sharp. Oh, look at this. Yes. And I believe it's still on for $199. And for the specs that you're getting on this, that's definitely worth the price. All right, let me take this plastic off and size it and show you some more. Okay, guys, I am extremely happy with my purchase. So my first impressions of this watch, this is bloody fantastic. For the price, you're getting a spec monster here. It's a sapphire crystal with AR coating covering the dial. You have a sapphire bezel insert. The markings on the bezel are filled with super luminova. I am sure the lume on this watch is going to be fantastic. I will show you a lume shot in a moment, and we'll do the full lume time lapse in the review. Screw down crown with what appears to be a lumed crown as well. This is the most exciting part, guys. It has a Swiss automatic movement in this, the Swiss Ronda R150, 25 joules, 28,800 vibrations per minute, which makes this second hand have a beautiful sweep of 8 ticks per second to that motion. Look at the beautiful sweep of that seconds hand. The dial is gorgeous. This plum purple sunburst dial, just have a look at that. You have a solid 316L stainless steel bracelet bezel case, and have a look at the thickness of those links. all brushed. Look at this. This is just a fantastic tool watch. You have a milled clasp, dual deployant pushers, fold over lock, Aragon branding on the clasp, 3 micro adjusts, which is about the width of a link, so you are going to get a perfect fit to your wrist. And just have a look at the bracelet itself. It is a really nice 5-link engineer style bracelet. This is really, really impressive. Certainly I would rather buy this watch than a San Martin as an example for the same price on Aliexpress, because this has a Swiss automatic movement in it, and man, it's just fully spec'd out like you would expect a watch to be. It is 48 millimeter lug to lug, 20 millimeter lug width. The thickness is let's see, 14 millimeters thick. I'm just reading this off of the website. I, of course, will spec it out with Super Cali to verify, but the guys at Aragon, they do an amazing job. Would love to hear what your thoughts are of this down in the comments below. This is the Aragon Divemaster, and I do believe you can get these for $200 still, $200 US. That is a steal for what you are getting. It is absolutely awesome. I mean, just look at the thickness of those links. This is just solid. I'll leave a link in the description. Not an affiliate link, not a sponsored video. I purchased this one, and boy, am I ever happy with it. This is very cool looking. Let me show you the Lume Shot. I'll just do a quick Lume Shot. Again, time lapse in a future review of this one. I'm going to be rocking this one for a little bit, and then I'll give you the wrist shot as well. So as you can see, the lume on this is very, very bright. That C3 Super Luminova, I predict, is going to give this watch, with the initial burst that you see here, a bloody fantastic rating. And do check it out. The crown is indeed also lumed, which I don't know why you would need to do that, but it's cool to have it nonetheless. So the lume was fantastic, and it looks fantastic. Here it is on my 7.5-inch wrist, and boy, does this look incredible. Very, very impressed with this. Would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much again for watching. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you think of this Divemaster by Aragon. I am super impressed with it thus far. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned at some point for a full review of this one, probably in a month or so, but I'll get to it eventually. And have yourself an awesome day. God bless you. Bye.